Do you think that today, when almost every process has been automated, everyone is rushing to learn AI, prompt engineering, and program? Spoiler, no. Remember in 2000s where careers were built on mastering Excel, and 2010s on knowing SQL and Python. Back then, technical skills were the main advantage. But take a look at the LinkedIn learning data. The most popular courses today are not about coding. They're about communication skills, leadership, creativity. Feel the shift? We are entered a time when the ability to communicate, inspire team, or find the creative solution is valued more than pure technical expertise. The world has truly changed, and leading organizations confirm this. The World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report lists creative and critical thinking among the top skills of the future. Deloitte report notes that empathy, clear communication, and curiosity are no longer nice to have. They are becoming the key competitive advantage. And MIT research shows that teams combining strong human skills with artificial intelligence work 20-30% more effectively. Even tech giants admit it. Zupko, for example, says openly, the key competitors of the future is not like fine-tuning the machine, it's building partnership between human and AI. And this is where the real paradox, the irony of our era reveals itself. The faster artificial intelligence evolves, the more valuable become the things it still cannot do. To listen and truly hear the person, to negotiate when everyone's on the edge, to explain complex ideas simply, to keep a team together when everything else is falling apart. According to McKinsey, about 50% of the tasks people to do today could soon be handled by machines. And this is not about some distant future. It's happening in the next few years. So McKinsey warns companies that invest only in technology may win in short term, but lose in long run. Productivity grows, but initiative fades. People start fearing mistakes. They stop offering new ideas because AI already knows better. Teams work fast but without inspiration. The culture turns cold, not because people have changed, but because no one feels they own value anymore. And that's when the most important things fades. Genuine curiosity, the spark, and the desire to make things better. That's where innovation begins. So what's the takeaway? Artificial intelligence truly changed the rules of the game. But the future belongs to the companies that develop in their teams what machines cannot. The ability to listen to each other, think flexibly, and act when there is no ready-made algorithm. Technology gives us speed, but people see the direction. And that's what will decide who will lead and who will only follow. I'd like to hear your thoughts on this. How are you preparing for these changes? What skills are you developing in your teams? Thank you for watching and see you next time.